back to my channel. My name is Delene and I am so excited today. It is such a beautiful day outside and it's putting me in this amazing mood, and I am so excited to do this video. It is a 1-year update, wear and tear on my South Bank bag with Louis Vuitton. Now this bag actually has the most view on my my channels, so I will go ahead and link a link at the end of the video and also in the description box if you do want to see the video. But let me go ahead and talk about my amazing bag, and if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned. If you're not, my feelings are not hurt, but I'm not going to be offended. So anyways, with further ado, let me go ahead and show you my South Bank. Here it is. I am using this bag currently right now and it is stuffed, as you can see. I feel like this bag is just such an easy bag to carry. It's casual. It looks cute with basically everything I have. I feel like it does elevate my casual look because of the fact that it is a high-end luxury bag. I love the fact that it is damier bin. Now, as you can see, it's stuffed right now. So let me go ahead and take my stuff out of here. But before I do that, let me go ahead and show you everything that I do have in my bag. So I have my car payment, my mini pochette, which I adore. I've got my glasses, foldable glasses actually. This is my phone charger, meaning a backup battery. I've got my business cards in this thing here, as you can see. It carries so much, you guys. And I'm also using this card holder right now, only because it's an accordion style. I just switched it out from my Gucci. Don't get me wrong, I love my Gucci. It's just my daughter gave me this, so I thought I'd use it for a little bit. Got my mitts here, my headset, sunglasses, and my deodorant, y'all. Okay, so now that my bag is all empty, I know somebody was asking me if the gold on this bag is wearing. And I'm looking at it right now. I do not see that the gold is wearing or fading at all, or the brass. As you can see there, it still looks great. I know a lot of the Louis Vuitton brass, well, I don't know if you want to call it brass, is fading, but I don't see that yet. I don't know if a year is good enough to say that that's what's going to happen to this bag, but I think it looks amazing still. I don't see that it has any on this side as well. I think the zipper still looks great without any fading on my bag. And there's a tassel here. I know there's a couple people that ask me about the tassel and they don't like the tassel because it comes on other bags, Louis Vuitton bags as well, but I don't see that it's sticking out. What I usually do is I'll stick my hair tie on here, and if I ever need it, I just pull it off and I use it, and it also helps keep this tassel looking pretty nice. Now on my corners of this bag, I don't see that there's any wear on it. I know I've hit it against the wall when I was coming out of my car in the garage, and I don't see that that's happened. And the strap looks gorgeous. I don't see anything wrong with it. I think, you know, I know a lot of people complain that damier bin straps are just hard, but I don't really have any issues with this. I don't feel that it's hard. I feel like it's not soft like the Vachetta, but I feel like it has not bothered me at all. And the inside of the bag, to me, I mean, look at that. It still looks amazing. There is no markings on the inside, no fading, no nothing. I think this bag has just held up really well. and it looks amazing. Come here, Sushi. It looks amazing here. So let me show you the inside. The inside looks great. The inside looks great. So after using this bag off and on, because I do switch out my bags all the time. I am the biggest purse switcher. I don't know if you guys are also, mainly because I have a few purses, but I'm constantly switching my bags. So I don't know exactly how many times that I've used this, but I use this enough to give a wear and tear review on it. I feel like this bag completely looks brand new still, and it's just one of my favorites. But I know I always say it's one of my favorites. I love my bags, and that's why I have them, so they're going to be one of my favorites. So with, let me go ahead and show you mod shots as well with this bag. I do have it on, I'm going to put it on the shortest. I think my daughter was using it, so it's on the longest. So I'm going to put it on the shortest hole here, because I am only 5'2" and 114 pounds. So with further ado, let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. Okay, you guys, there's my mod shot, and just to let you know, I don't have any problems with my Dame Azur items inside my Dame bin. As you can see here, it is red, and I don't have any problem sticking that in there, meaning I don't have any color transfers or anything like that. So just to give you guys that heads up. All right, so if you guys have any questions, please comment below. Gotta have my wine here. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I do have many more coming, and I want to thank you guys for watching. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I would be so excited if you guys did. And I guess that's about it. And I do want to thank you guys for watching and being such a good supporter for my video. And I love my YouTube family. I love talking to some of you guys. I love watching your videos. I think it's so interesting, and I love comparing what you guys have and what you guys love. And I guess that's about it. Well, you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye.